In the realm of modern finance, a pioneering innovation has emerged, potentially reshaping how investors interact with Bitcoin. This groundbreaking development is none other than the Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, often referred to as the Bitcoin ETF. In this discourse, we delve into the intricacies of this financial instrument, shedding light on its operational mechanics and its transformative potential. But before we get into the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Understanding the Bitcoin ETF. What is Bitcoin ETF? At its core, the Bitcoin ETF is a financial product meticulously designed to emulate the price movements of Bitcoin itself. It represents a significant departure from conventional cryptocurrency investments, offering investors a vehicle through which they can gain exposure to the world's leading digital currency without the inherent complexities of direct ownership. In essence, it bridges the divide between the realm of cryptocurrencies and traditional financial markets. Unpacking the advantages. 1. Simplicity and convenience. The foremost advantage of the Bitcoin ETF is its unparalleled simplicity and accessibility. Instead of grappling with the intricacies of cryptocurrency wallets and security measures, investors can seamlessly acquire and trade Bitcoin through a standard brokerage account. The process is as straightforward as buying and selling traditional stocks or commodities, significantly lowering the barriers to entry for potential investors. 2. Diversification benefits. Beyond simplifying access to Bitcoin, the ETF structure endows investors with diversification benefits. By investing in the ETF, one not only gains exposure to the potential upside of Bitcoin but also benefits from the risk management and stability inherent in a diversified investment portfolio. This dual advantage enhances the appeal of the Bitcoin ETF as a means of participating in the cryptocurrency market. 3. Instant liquidity. Liquidity has been a perennial concern in the world of cryptocurrencies. Acquiring and disposing of actual Bitcoin can be a time-consuming and often unpredictable process. In contrast, the Bitcoin ETF provides instant liquidity. Investors can readily buy or sell their ETF shares at any given moment, enabling them to respond swiftly to market developments or seize opportunities as they arise. Navigating security concerns. Security has been a central concern surrounding cryptocurrency investments. To address this, the Bitcoin ETF offers a layer of security by allowing investors to participate through regulated financial institutions and brokerage firms. This regulatory oversight instills a degree of confidence, as investors' assets are safeguarded by established protocols and industry best practices. Regulatory landscape. It is vital to recognize that the availability and regulatory status of the Bitcoin ETF may vary by jurisdiction. Regulatory approval is a pivotal milestone for this investment vehicle, and it remains subject to the legal frameworks governing cryptocurrency investments in different countries. Potential investors should remain vigilant and informed about the evolving regulatory landscape in their respective regions. Where to access the Bitcoin ETF? For those intrigued by the prospects of the Bitcoin ETF, it is pertinent to identify where this instrument is available. The Bitcoin ETF is typically listed on various reputable exchanges and brokerage platforms. Conducting comprehensive due diligence to select the most suitable platform, considering factors such as fees, reliability, and jurisdiction, is advisable. Current cost considerations. As of today, the cost associated with investing in the Bitcoin ETF varies based on the chosen platform, management fees, and any associated expenses. Prospective investors should diligently assess these costs and engage with financial advisors to formulate an investment strategy aligned with their objectives. In summary, the Bitcoin ETF represents a transformative development in the realm of cryptocurrency investments. It offers accessibility, diversification, liquidity, and enhanced security, effectively streamlining the process for investors. With the potential for substantial returns, this innovative investment vehicle has garnered significant attention from both institutional and retail investors alike. However, prudent due diligence and a comprehensive understanding of the regulatory landscape are essential prerequisites for those considering participation in this emerging market. We appreciate your engagement with this exploration. If you have found this information valuable, kindly support us by expressing your appreciation and subscribing to our platform, like, share and hit the notification bell for more videos like this where we provide a wealth of expert insights into the ever-evolving world of finance and investment. Until our next discourse, may your investments be both informed and prosperous.